This content was created purely for entertainment and informational purposes. The creators of this vlog do not endorse drinking and driving, debauchery, underage drinking, public intoxication, speeding, street racing or any other form of delinquency. I'm just a guy, with a drink, talking about cars. Please don't take this too seriously.
Welcome back to Cocktails and Crankshafts for another unboxing. Today we have the Lancia 037 from the 1985 Rally of Portugal. Got my handy dandy knife, cutting the box open. Packed in here pretty good. Lots of peanuts and foam sheeting. It's a pain to get that out. Okay, so we've got the black Kyosho box, styrofoam casing, and the car is upside down. What in the world? My fault. Okay, here we have the lovely Lancia 037, Lancia AUTOart 037, Lancia Rally 037, Tipo 151, whatever you want to call it. This was the last rear-wheel drive car to win the World Rally Championship. Lancia narrowly edged out Audi in 1983. They beat the Quattro by 2 points for the Constructors' Championship. This car is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder, supercharged. Now, the 037 is a standalone model, even though it looks like the Lancia Monte Carlo, or Scorpion as we knew it in North America. It is, in fact, its own standalone model, and the 200 homologation units were built as 037 Stradales, street cars. It uses the Monte Carlo's center steel passenger section, basically the roof, door frame, front firewall, front and rear bulkheads, and floor pan, and then has welded tubular subframes front and rear. The Monte Carlo's 4-cylinder engine was actually transverse. Here in the 037, it's longitudinal. You can see you've got the front and rear welded tube subframes and 4-wheel wishbone suspension. Just a race car. I mean, this car, not unlike its cousin, the Stratos, was designed to be a rally race car. And then, oh, by the way, we need to make 200 street versions of it. So that's what they did. I've seen one of these in action at the Goodwood Festival, and it's quite a riot, and it makes interesting noises. But this model is lovely. It's well detailed. I love it. Kyosho makes good models. They're not my preferred brand, but the models are very good. As you can see, it's finely detailed in the interior, and the exterior looks sharp. Sorry about the lighting and the poor focus. I was trying something different. But that's my Lancia 037. See you soon.